When you on a cruise, a plate is a snack.
Yeah.
Okay.
Two plates is a meal.
2 plates is a meal with dessert. First of all, how many times do y'all need to sing Sweet Caroline? How many times?
0.
Because settle.
0.
That song ain't that poppin', y'all. It's not that hot. There's a lizard in the room. There's a lizard in the room. There's a lizard in the room.
It's like Jurassic Park.
The time has arrived. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, turn the light on.
I can't see.
And take 2.
All right, so we finally made it here after 2 hours of sleep and then a 3-hour flight. It was like 2.5, 3 hours, and then a 30-minute drive to the port, and then a 45-minute wait to get on the ship. That's actually not that bad. That's not that bad.
No, don't forget we had to wait for an hour because they wouldn't let us on the bus.
Oh yeah, we got there just as the bus was leaving, so we had to wait an hour for the next bus. But regardless of all that, we here, and we got a balcony. This is the first time I've had a balcony on the cruise. I've been on the cruise like 4 or 5 times, and I've only had interior, which is like fine, whatever. But a balcony is a balcony, bro. We got like, what is this, a balcony suite? Something like that.
Yeah, club balcony suite.
Club balcony suite. We disinfected the room. We are about to go eat. We about to go grub. I kind of want to do the noodle bar, or I want to do the buffet, because Norwegian got bomb Indian food.
Yeah,
if
so
you
good.
know,
their Indian food is so
you
good.
know. Gotta come here just for that. But anyways, so I think this is gonna be a great vacation.
Mm-hmm.
I'm really excited.
I'm very happy with the room.
I am very happy as well.
We are about to go on a cruise with like 9,000 people.
There's a lot of people. This is a big ship. It's a big ship.
And we don't like people. And we're like, oh, we'll just get the interior room. 2 days before the cruise, we upgraded to the suite because we're like, we're going to need space.
Yeah, we're going to need a place that's comfortable to get away from all these people. Because I ain't going to lie, when I pulled up to the port, I was like, dang, it's a lot of people here. It's a lot of people here. But people go on cruises, especially when it's a big ship. So let's eat. Let's eat. Bye, y'all. We gonna eat.
Peace.
I just wanna eat. I just wanna eat. I just wanna eat. Oh, I just wanna eat. classy with his coffee.
Yeah.
You have to get a coffee every single time you see it, but you don't.
And a Diet Coke.
And a Diet Coke, but you actually don't though. You do not always have to get coffee. Do they have a Starbucks here?
On the boat?
We found the gym.
You're on film. Hey.
We are we are 2 hours in. What do you think?
We played basketball in jeans.
Yeah, we play basketball in jeans and leggings, but like we killed it though. We was kind of killing it low key. At least I was.
Better than those kids who brought their own basketball.
Yeah, we were better than the 14-year-olds. All right, so we are on our way to the sail away party, and then after that, what are we doing?
Hydrotherapy sweet.
Yeah.
I need a better song for that. I'll come up with one.
I can't wait for that mosaic bed.
Oh yeah, that's so
Oh my goodness.
nice. Steam room, that's my thing. That's not an Ava thing.
Oh no, but the sauna is though. I did it! I did it!
You vlogged in public?
Welcome to my vlog.
He sees every week.
I got caught and the guy was like, welcome to my vlog, if y'all didn't hear that. So the sail away party was so much fun. Now to the hydrothermal suite. I'm gonna sleep on that mosaic bed. I'm sleeping on it, I don't care. And then sauna. I'm so excited, this is only day one.
I'm the grumpy old man who gets up at sunlight on vacation. But I get to see this as we come into port mad early.
All right, so it is day 2. It's a little before 7, and we're about to head out and get breakfast, get some towels, and get Starbucks because there is a Starbucks on the boat. Your girl's happy about that. Yesterday, we were knocked out. I ended up walking like 16,000 steps. I think he walked even more. My dogs was barking. We were tired. The sail away party was fun. The freaking hydrothermal suite, I fell asleep probably like 10 times. Like just, I love it. Like if everything else on this cruise could go wrong, that can go right. I don't expect anything else to go wrong, but you honestly get your money's worth with that. I love it. I want my own mosaic tile bed. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. So we're about to go get breakfast, go get towels, go get Starbucks, and then get a tender to the port. Today we are in Great Stirrup Cay, which is the Bahamas. We actually have a couples massage booked on the beach with like a nice little salt scrub and like a hydrotherapy like dip pool. I guess we just really like water. But so we have that planned, and then we're gonna hang out on the beach, and then yeah, I'm excited for today. Like I already had so much fun, and it is day 2. I'm a cruise girl, y'all. And honestly, he was not a cruise person. I made him one. One of life's greatest achievements is me making him a cruise dude.
We liked it our first cruise we went on. We just had horrible weather. It was freezing and it was raining and everything was closed outside. It sucked.
That was his first cruise, and that was a horrible experience for his first cruise. We left out of Boston to go to Bermuda in May, and it was, first of all, how many times do y'all need to sing Sweet Caroline? How many times?
0.
Because settle. That song ain't that poppin', y'all. It's not that hot. Like, a bunch of Boston people every 5 minutes, bum bum bum, and then they try to get everybody else to sing along with them. Like, sir, we eating. This is a library. Like, memories. I haven't heard it once yet on this cruise. Once. So I'm happy.
You heard Tatiana though.
We heard Tatiana. We did hear Tatiana. Oh, Nikita. But all right, we're gonna eat because we're wasting time. So this is unrelated to the video, but if you have not tried Starbucks's brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso, it's a really long name. If you haven't tried it, try it. Also the toasted vanilla oat milk shaken espresso is bomb too. So yay for my lactose intolerant girlies and guys.
Okay, y'all, so this is my first time ever owning a pair of Birkenstocks, and I love them, okay? Birk gang, 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 gang. We have our first Bob Marley sighting, or at least hearing. You have the hiccups?
No, it's just one.
So we headed
Started
just
with it.
one. So we headed to the spa to like check in early for our massage, which is at 10. And this Great Stirrup Cay. Ooh, there's a huge bug on the
That's
floor.
a crab.
That's a crab? Crusty crab. Yeah. All right, back to our regularly scheduled programming. We were just looking out across like this whole island and looking at the sea and stuff, and we realized that we are so immensely blessed. Like, we are so blessed to be able to experience this. This is beautiful. I'm just kind of full of gratitude right now. I'm having a moment. Back to Ava's nature documentary. There's a hermit crab right there. It's like a crab in a shell. Look at that. Look at that. I feel like in these videos I'm always looking, or I'm always showing y'all the natural flora and fauna. Crikey. Look at that. That's cool. Oh my goodness. There are so many fish. There's so many fish. There are so many fish. You said synchronized.
Did you know I didn't learn how to pump a swing until I was 17?
I believe that. We don't know what those are, but what did you call them?
There's some Blair Witch Project thing. The hammock's nice.
The hammock
I
is
don't-
nice, but
I
we
don't
don't
trust that
we don't know
thing.
what that is. Look out, buddy. Oh, and another buddy. Oh, look at that.
Oh, they're gonna poop on my
They,
head.
they are gonna poop on us. Let's back up. The stork. He's eating all the fish. But I guess
See it
that's
flapping in his mouth.
yeah. Aw. I guess that's the circle of life. Aw.
Bones and everything.
I mean, how bony could they be? About to get our massages and we're so excited. I also look like I just rolled out of bed, but who cares? Who cares? I'm living my best life. Living my best life. And this is the room.
And the beach. Oh snap! There's a lizard.
In the room? Wait, this isn't. There's a lizard in the room. There's a lizard in the room. There's a lizard in the room.
Jurassic Park.
I was supposed to be showing y'all the beach, but there's a lizard in the room. We have to tell them.
You have to tell them.
Tell them there's a lizard in the room, and it's closest to my bed. Man up. No, don't mess with
I
it.
think it's dead.
Still tell them.
Yeah.
Oh my
I feel good.
Mr. Lizard, actually, we can't see him anymore, but he ended up staying because, you know, it's just a house lizard.
Yeah, she said it's just a house lizard. It won't hurt you.
And we were like, wait a second, what?
We come from places with snow. We don't have lizards.
You say it like we come from faraway lands. We live in New England and we don't have house lizards, but we do have garden snakes. Other than that massage was amazing. The body scrub was amazing. The warm towels was amazing. She worked in my shoulder blades, bro.
My feet feel good.
She didn't really work my feet that much.
See, I never really cared about feet massages, but my feet actually hurt after yesterday at the airport and standing in line. My feet hurt today, so it felt great.
My plantar is perpetually inflamed, and so like I even put like plantar fasciitis, but they never work it. They never work into it like I want to, but it was still good. It was still good. I want to go to sleep. So we're on our way to the hydrotherapy pool now, and we're about to walk through a secret garden. They're comfortable, and this is the view that we have from the hydrotherapy pool. He's back.
He sent us green.
Oh, he ran away. It honestly is not normal how much you're sweating. It's not normal. You look like you took a shower.
Videoing this.
Yes, I am. It's disgusting.
This monologue is gonna be.
It's just, Jonathan,
I
you
gotta
really,
fill in these
you
farmer's
do not
steps.
know how you look right now.
Look at my ankles. Why ankles
I'm
are white?
gonna show you how you look, and you're gonna be aghast.
Look at, I got tan from here to here.
And you really do.
It's like my
Them
ankle
thighs are still white. They still look like whole milk.
and my feet. Because you gotta wear
Oh my
socks when you're
goodness.
outside.
And then he asked me to put suntan lotion, or no, sunblock on his back. And he was mad at me because I told him, wipe your back off first.
I didn't know I was sweating like this.
Yes, you did. How do you not
'Cause I had
know?
a shirt on.
I don't believe that.
It's moisture wicking. It took it all away.
It has a limit. Everything has its limit.
I'm gonna be like one of those leather skin people.
No, you're not.
The real Italians.
No. No, the real Italians tan nicely. Mr. Turkish, French Canadian.
Did you know that I'm 100% Italian?
About
So Ava bought me, like, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago, she bought me a ancestry test. And I'm like mostly Turkish.
Yep.
I'm only like 30-something% Italian.
And looking at your mug, I don't know how we thought any different.
I'm like mostly Turkish.
You're like a
French, and
third
then
Italian.
Italian is third on the list.
Yeah, you're like a third Italian and then mostly Turkish. Yeah.
I've been lied to my whole life.
Mm-hmm. Gabagoo. Ooh, he's been saying that with his chest his whole life. Now he has to say wee wee. I don't know any Turkish.
I don't know anything. I'm out of breath.
Look at this beautiful water. Like, this is just so beautiful.
It looks like food coloring, but it's plant.
Okay.
It's really blue.
Hot take from Jonathan.
Blue. I mean, it's the dirty old black and brown Boston water.
That's freezing. Aww. And that's, I believe, a Carnival ship, right?
No.
Royal Caribbean ship.
That's their island.
Coco Cay. Okay. All right, so our day at Great Stirrup.
Great Stirrup Cay.
Great Stirrup Cay. I've been calling it Grand Stirrup Cay for like the whole day, but whatever. It is over, and what'd you think?
It was good. Definitely the private lagoon area with the spa is the way to go. If you don't like people like us, it's very tame and very isolated.
Mm-hmm.
I baked myself in the sun.
He
I
definitely
didn't get
did.
a tan. The food was okay.
I got a tan, but I usually do.
Yeah. I like it. It was a fall excursion.
You were just about to talk about the food.
I already said it.
Oh,
So the food was
oh
okay.
yeah, okay. But it was a good day.
Yeah.
I almost got heat stroke, or at least it almost felt like I did. I don't know how you didn't almost feel like you had heat stroke. You were literally soaked.
Yeah. I went swimming after.
He thought he made it to the raft in the middle. He was like, how far did I get? Oh, is he going to the raft? Look at him go. Nope, he's not. I was like, you were almost there, boo.
Swimming's a real sport.
His swimming was a real sport. He didn't have his Fitbit on, but he was like, my heart is beating. I'm tired. If we would have had this fit, what do you think your heart rate would have been?
267.
200, so your heart would have exploded.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go to the buffet, get a snack. I'm gonna come back here, change into my gym clothes.
I'll play.
When you on a cruise, a plate is a snack.
Yeah.
Okay.
Two plates is a meal.
2 plates is a meal with dessert. But I'm gonna come back to the room, get on some gym clothes, go to the gym, and then we'll both be at the hydrotherapy suite.
You want to show them behind us? I don't know why it's not focusing in. Oh, that's Royal Caribbean. We are here.
That wasn't hard. We are here. Aw, we came back to the room and we have this present that they left for us. I think it's a chocolate covered strawberry, a piece of white chocolate. Is that a beet? I don't know. Maybe some fruit preserve thing. And I think that those are 2 wafers. Yeah, those are like 2 wafer cookies. That's really nice. Cool beans. Thank you, Norwegian. All right, so tonight is Hollywood Glam night. And so this is my version of Hollywood Glam. Kind of. And I got the hair. And then this is his Hollywood Glam.
I brought no nice clothes. I had to compromise between bringing nice clothes or enough clothes to make it through the vacation. Because I'm worried about losing my luggage with these airlines. So
Tell him.
I did vacuum seal bags
Tell
to
him.
a carry-on.
Tell him.
For 7 days.
We took a carry-on for this trip.
That's
which
crazy.
is kind of wild.
But I keep losing bags.
Man. But honestly, I kind of just be like blending in places, and I feel like I won't blend in with this. I don't know. Maybe this is actually kind of basic. Maybe this is just more extravagant than I'm used to, but still basic. But it ain't basic for me, and that's what matters. But I'm gonna try and live in my truth, live in my Ava, Diana Ross realness, and just get through the night. Okay? You think I look nice?
Yeah, you look beautiful.
It's moments like this that I realize that we are literally on a ship in the middle of the sea. Just the middle of nowhere. Look at that. There's nothing. There's Jonathan. Look at this. It's beautiful, but it's also like, wow. And I'm definitely not capturing it that well on camera.
Yeah,
but
it doesn't do it justice.
oh my, because the moon got covered.
Yeah.
The moon got,
We're about to go past that closet.
the moon's back. We got a little moonlight. So we actually just ended, we are coming back now. So it is the end of day 2 and we are tired. We are tired.
Latest I've stayed up in years.
Honestly, we are 9:30, 10 o'clock people, and it is currently 12:41. By the time we get into bed, it's probably gonna be like 1:30. We went down to the club. We were actually just coming back from the club. The Bliss Lounge is what they call it. And honestly, it was a lot of reggaeton. It was a lot of like Latin beats, like Despacito. I'm really not into that. I'm not into that. They played the wobble, and I was like, okay, I can get into this. Wait, what was it? It was the cha-cha slide. They played the cha-cha slide, and I was like, all right, I can get into this. And then that was it.
That was it. He didn't even capitalize off of the slide, off of the cha-cha slide by playing like the electric slide, the wobble. He didn't. He just
Went right into like salsa music.
he went right into salsa music, and it's like, if you like salsa music, cool. Sometimes I can get into it, but tonight I just couldn't. Like, I really wanted to hear like some Beyonce or something. Some Beyonce, I mean, Kendrick is asking for a lot. But something.
Yo, he played the thong song.
Oh, he played the thong song too, y'all.
That's it.
That's it. Whew, can I just say, all the black people evacuated the club? We were all on one accord. When two or more in hit, nah. No. But yeah, I don't think any of us were feeling it. But everybody else was, though. Everybody else was feeling it, right? They was just like, I know you want me. You know I want ya. But I'm tired. So, you know what? I'm just going to end it out here. Might give the club another chance. I don't know. We'll see. But today was a great day. And I can't wait for tomorrow. But I'm going to sleep because I'm tired.